Good morning student. Today we will discuss new chapter equation. In the last lectures we discussed about the introduction to algebra. We will use this introduction to algebra in this chapter equation. Okay, now what is equation? Equation, any sentences that has this sign is called equation. This sign is read as equal or is equal to, means any sentences if have the sign is equal to is called equation. It shows the relation of equality. It means we are comparing two things. Suppose I have in one hand 1 kg 1 plus 2 kg and here I have 3 kg, then obviously 1 plus 2 also 3, then 3 is equal to 3. Both the hands have equal weight. It means it shows the equality. Suppose I write down I have 2 toffee plus 2 toffee mango plus 3 toffee imli, and here I have write on 5 toffee. Then obviously both side how many toffees total? If I am not talking about the flavor, then how many toffees both sides? There are 5 toffees. So this equation, this type of relation is called a equation. It means both sides are equal. So what is the basic way of representation to equation? That LHS is equal to RHS. LHS, it means anything we have in a left hand side and anything we have in right hand side, and both are equal. This LHS is called left hand side. Left hand side. And this is RHS is called right hand side. So this is called a equation, and this is the way of represent the equation. Now see, if we want to solve anything mentally, one question is asked from you that what should be added to that it becomes 5. इट मीन्स 2 में क्या ऐड किया जाए कि वो 5 के इक्वल हो जाए. तो मेंटली हाउ टू सोल्व? 2 में क्या ऐड किया जाए? एवरीवन नो दैट 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. इट मीन्स व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ दिस? 3. दैट इज 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. नाउ सपोज इन ए बास्केट आई हैव 10 mangoes. How many mango I can take that this basket now have 8 mango? Means firstly I have 10 mango, तो उसमें से कितने mangoes बाहर निकाल लिए जाए कि हमारे पास remaining mangoes कितने हो जाए? 8. How many mangoes remaining? 8. So mentally if we want to solve, then obviously we know the result is 2. 10 minus 2 we know is equal to 8. Suppose I write down 3 को किस वैल्यू से मल्टीप्लाई किया जाए कि हमारे पास आंसर आ जाए 12. मीन्स हमें हाउ मैनी केसेस 3 times we take that we will get the 12 kg weight. So it means if I take 4 kg 3 basket or bucket, then it is always equal to 12. It means अगर मैंने 4 kg के 3 weights ले लिए, तो it means is 4 kg, 4 plus 4 plus 4 12. तो it means 3 times कितने kg के weight लें कि वो 12 kg के equal हो जाए? 4 kg के. सपोज किसी नंबर का 1/5, किस नंबर का 1/5 लिया जाए कि वो 4 के इक्वल हो जाए? ऑब्वियसली 20, 5 4s are 20, then it is equal to 4. So this is a very simple type of equation, we can solve them mentally. But if we have the compound equations, we have the complex equations, then how to solve? So we have some procedure to solve the equation. Firstly, whenever we solve the equation, see the sign convention. Sign convention is what? If we have in one side plus values, positive values, whenever you change the side, then it becomes a negative. If we have negative value, then whenever you change the side, then it becomes positive. If we have anything in multiplication and we are changing the side, then it becomes in division. Or if we have anything is in division and changing the side, then we will do multiply. So use this sign convention whenever we do the transposition. Means we are changing the side, LHS to RHS or maybe RHS to LHS something. So if we have positive values, then it will convert into negative, negative then positive, multiply then we will do division, or division then we will do multiplication. Some questions it's given to you in your book. Test your understanding. In this, some question is given to you. What must be added to 5 to give 8? What should be added to 5 to give 8? It means, what is the meaning of this question? 5 में क्या ऐड किया जाए कि हमें रिजल्ट 8 मिल जाए? तो हमें रिजल्ट 8 कैसे मिलेगा? It means we don't know the unknown variables, we write down x plus 5. 5 में हमने x ऐड किया तो हमें 8 मिल गया. तो इस x की क्या वैल्यू होनी चाहिए? Mentally if you think 5 plus 3, it means 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. Then if you compare, then it becomes x is equal to 3. कि 5 में अगर 3 ऐड कर दिया जाए तो हमें आंसर क्या मिल जाएगा? 8 मिल जाएगा. One more question if we take, what number must be divided by 2 to give 10? किसी नंबर को किससे 2 से डिवाइड करने पर व्हाट नंबर मस्ट बी डिवाइडेड बाय? वी डोंट नो द नंबर, वी लेट x डिवाइडेड बाय 2 शुड बी इक्वल टू 10. इट मीन्स यहाँ x की क्या वैल्यू होनी चाहिए जिसको 2 से डिवाइड करने पर हमें 10 मिल जाए? व्हाट शुड बी हियर? x शुड बी इक्वल टू obviously 20 because 20 by 2 is equal to 10. Now both side LHS and RHS are equal. So this is called equation. Now see, this is a solving by the mentally. Mentally you are thinking and just you are solving it. Now solve equation by using inverse operation. Inverse operation is the same, that plus change into the minus, minus change into the plus whenever we change the side, multiply change into the division, and division change into the multiplication. Take some examples related to this. It is given to you y plus 7 is equal to 10. Solve the equation by inverse operation is, what is the meaning of it? Y plus 7 is equal to 10. There is a rule of equation that any number if you multiply in LHS side, same number should be multiplied in RHS side. if any number will be added to LHS side, then same number should be added to the RHS side. Same any number subtracted from the LHS side, then do subtraction from RHS side also. Division perform on the LHS side, then division by same number division perform on the RHS side also. So here see y plus 7 is equal to 10. It means y plus 7, देखो in this side LHS side there is a variable, RHS साइड में हमारे पास कोई भी वेरिएबल नहीं है, तो इस वेरिएबल के साथ में क्या है प्लस 7. इट मीन्स अगर हम इस प्लस 7 को किसी तरह से रिमूव कर दें तो हमारे पास सिर्फ क्या रह जाएगा y वेरिएबल रह जाएगा, तो हमें RHS साइड में उसकी वैल्यू मिल जाएगी. तो हम कैसे रिमूव करेंगे उसको चेक करने के लिए जितना उसमें ऐड हुआ है उतना ही अगर उसमें सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दें तो एडिशन वैल्यू और सब्ट्रैक्शन वैल्यू कैंसिल हो जाएगी. यहाँ प्लस 7 है तो मैं अगर दोनों साइड में -7 कर दिया जाए, देन सी +7 to -7 cancel, only remaining y. 10 minus 7 3. It means our answer y is equal to 3. तो यहाँ अगर मैंने सब्ट्रैक्ट किया है -7 तो RHS साइड में भी -7 किया गया. It means if any operation we performed in equation, we will perform both side, LHS side and RHS side, both side. Suppose I take y minus 5 is equal to 20. तो in this case y minus 5, इस -5 को रिमूव करने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे, ऑब्वियसली माइनस को रिमूव करने के लिए हमें कुछ सेम वैल्यूज ऐड करनी पड़ेगी, प्लस को रिमूव करने के लिए सेम वैल्यू सब्ट्रैक्ट करनी होगी, मल्टीप्लाई को रिमूव करने के लिए सेम वैल्यू डिवाइड करनी होगी और डिवाइड को रिमूव करने के लिए सेम वैल्यू मल्टीप्लाई करनी पड़ेगी. सी द एग्जांपल. हियर वी परफॉर्म बाय सेल्फ +5. इट मीन्स RHS साइड ऑल्सो वी राइट डाउन +5. -5 plus 5 cancel, then only remaining is y is equal to 20 plus 5 25. तो इट मीन्स अगर हम 25 में से 5 माइनस कर दें तो हमें 20 मिल जाएगा. अनदर एग्जाम्पल टेक. सपोज आई राइट डाउन x minus 13 is equal to 20. x माइनस ऑपरेशन है तो उसको रिमूव करने के लिए प्लस ऑपरेशन चाहिए. 20 प्लस 13 बोथ साइड, x minus 13 to plus 13 cancel and this become 33. Then x value, this is the, we are solving an equation. हम इक्वेशन को सोल्व कर रहे हैं. In equation we have some unknown variable, then we will find the value of unknown variable by solving an equation. So x is equal to 33. This type we will solve. Take the examples of multiplication. Suppose I write down 3 multiplied by x is equal to 12. Now here sign is multiplication. It means multiplication को remove करने के लिए हम क्या करते हैं, सेम नंबर जिससे मल्टीप्लाइड है उस नंबर से डिवाइड कर देते हैं. Then 12 by 3, 3 से 3 cancel, it becomes x. 12 by 3 is equal to 4. And what is the value of x? 4. Another example, suppose 5z is equal to -25. Then 5z is equal to, divide by 5, -25 divide by 5, 5 to 5 cancel, z is equal to 5 5s are 25, then sign is negative, then z is equal to -5. Take the example of division. 1 by 4 x is equal to 24. तो यहाँ क्या है, 4 से डिवाइड है. दिस 1 by 4, 4 से जो डिवाइड है उसको हटाने के लिए हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, दोनों तरफ 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करना हो. Then 4 to 4 cancel, it remains x and it is 4 4 is 16, 4 2 is 8 or 1 9. Then what is the value of x? 96. So this type we will solve the simple equations. We take some examples from the book, check it. There is given to you t plus 9 is equal to minus 7. Very easy. प्लस 9 है तो इसको सोल्व करने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे, -9 दोनों साइड में. हेयर 9 to 9 कैंसिल, देन t रिमेनिंग, माइनस माइनस प्लस, बट साइन वी विल टेक नेगेटिव. देन t is equal to -16. नाउ सी योर एक्सरसाइज 8th. What is your first question of exercise 8th? Write an equation for each of the following. You need not solve them. It means तुम्हें सिर्फ इक्वेशन लिखना है, उसको सोल्व नहीं करना है. एग्जाम्पल टेक, ए गर्ल इज x year old. क्वेश्चन क्या है, ए गर्ल इज x year old. Her father is 5 more than, her father is 5 more than 2 times her age. 2 times her age. The sum of their ages is 50 years. The sum of their ages is 50 years. See here how to solve it now. Okay, if you see properly, this is a question of your introduction to algebra also, that firstly make an algebraic expression, then convert it into equation. See here, a girl is x year old. So girl age is x year. Her father is, it means her father is मतलब इक्वल साइन, जहाँ is आ गया it means we will put here equal sign. 5 more than, 5 more than it means we take plus 5. more than प्लस 5 होता है, लेस देन -5 वी ऑलरेडी डिस्कस इन चैप्टर 7 इंट्रोडक्शन टू अलजेब्रा. 5 मोर देन इट मीन जो भी रिजल्ट आएगा उसमें हम क्या ऐड कर देंगे, +5. 2 टाइम्स मतलब 2 मल्टीप्लाई हर एज, तो उसकी एज कितनी है x. इट मीन्स इक्वेशन बिकम 2x + 5. फादर एज कितनी हो गई, 2x + 5 years. Now what is given to you, sum of their ages, मतलब दोनों की एज का सम. गर्ल की एज है x, फादर की एज है 2x + 5, दोनों की एज का सम कितना है हमारे पास 50. तो इट मीन्स इट बिकम 3x + 5 = 50. तो हमें सिर्फ इक्वेशन बनानी थी इन दिस क्वेश्चन, सो इट इज कंप्लीट. So we are using here 7 chapter algebraic representation also. So do properly practice your chapter 7 firstly, then you can solve these type of questions. Another example take. I think of a number. I think of a number, multiplied it by 5, multiply by it 5 and then subtract 9, and then subtract 9. The result is 11. The result is 11. See in this question, I think of a number, then let the number be x. This type of number is called what? Constant or variable? Obviously variable, because we don't know the value of it. This value we will get according to the question. Multiply by it 5. It means इस x को मल्टीप्लाई करना है किससे? 5 से. एंड देन सब्ट्रैक्ट 9. इट मीन्स इसमें से क्या है? 9 सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है 9. द रिजल्ट इज, जब तुम ये एक्शन परफॉर्म करोगे तो उसका रिजल्ट किसके इक्वल आएगा? 11 के. तो इट मीन्स योर इक्वेशन बिकम 5x माइनस 9 इज इक्वल टू 11. So this time we will write the equation according to the statement. Another example. It is given to you a plus 3 1 by 2 is equal to 5. Find the value of a. Solve this equation and find the value of a. How to solve a? Firstly, solve this mixed fraction. 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 1 7. A plus 7 by 2 is equal to 5. Now see, a plus 7 by 2 पॉजिटिव. अब इस वेरिएबल के साथ क्या एडेड है? प्लस 7 बाय 2. तो इट मीन्स जो इस वेरिएबल के साथ एडेड है हम उसी को क्या कर दें? अब सब्ट्रैक्ट बोथ साइड. देन यू कैन कैंसिल इट. देयर इज ओनली दिस वेरिएबल. नाउ सोल्व इट. देयर इज नथिंग, देन इट मीन्स 5 बाय 1. हाउ टू सोल्व इट? 5 माइनस, इजीली यू कैन सोल्व. 7 बाय 2 होता है 3.5. 5 माइनस 3.5, इट मीन्स 5.0 3.5 minus 10 minus 5. 0 is here, we take 1 carry, then here remaining 4. And 10 minus 5 5, 4 minus 3 1. Then our result is A is equal to 1.5. Another question related to subtraction. See, x minus 0.3 is equal to 15.7. Same thing here with variable minus, it means we do add both sides 0.3. So we write down by adding both sides 0.3. Then this cancel out, then this remaining is x is equal to 7 or 3 10, then 15 or 1 16, then x value become 16. Another example, suppose it is given to you 0.3p is equal to 9. Now it is a multiplication question. So here dividing by 0.3 both sides, then it becomes 0.3p divided by 0.3 is equal to 9 upon 0.3. Cancel out, then it becomes p is equal to 9 upon this decimal, if we, then it becomes 30, then p is equal to 30. Last, if we discuss related to division problem, suppose it is given to w upon 25 is equal to 2, then it means multiply by, here division, if we want to remove it, then multiply by this number to both sides, then it becomes W upon 25 multiply by 25 is equal to 2 into 25. Then it becomes W is equal to 50. So now your 8A exercise complete. Do complete in your notebook with example also. Thank you, students.